go with it. It's out like that. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a runner.
Oh, right.
And I thought, well, I love anything like that. So I think it's the same. Great.
Well, I've got robins everywhere in here.
I know.
That's a nice range, but I never do send it to this.
I don't, but just now and again, you know when they do 25% off on clothes.
Yeah.
And if they got a sale on, that's when I go around for tilbuds for Amelia and Danny. So that's when I found them. That's beautiful. I like proper China, drinking the tea out of China. I can't be doing with.
No, I don't, but I didn't think it was China until I checked the package.
Yeah, it's lovely.
It doesn't look China.
That's beautiful, isn't it, Sean?
Yeah, it's nice that. Hey, I hope I didn't drop it in our street, you know, because I had a lot of stuff carried out to the van with me.
No, you're fine. Don't worry.
There's no snow, so it's a beautiful day. That's all that matters, isn't it? But
I was just saying, I hope I didn't drop that camera that I couldn't find in the street, because I had a lot of stuff in my hand.
you definitely brought it out.
I thought I remember doing.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, Sean.
Could turn up somewhere.
You have too many things that you carry, don't you?
Well, you've got a backpack. Put it all in your backpack.
Yeah, I have. I don't carry that out with me a lot now.
Oh, what a beautiful card. Oh, that's cute. That's gorgeous.
You want to get rid of some of them little bags of Sean if you're not using them then.
What?
Get rid of some of your bags if you're not using them then.
I've only got the one rucksack.
And once you've got three stuff inside it counts.
Well, the other two are not rucksacks, are they? They're just ordinary bags.
Beautiful, that car. Where'd you go for your cars? I can't find decent cars when I can get out.
Grammy, I think that one was.
Right, that's beautiful. And all this lovely tissue paper and that.
Oh, I haven't wrapped it. They wrapped it in short.
Oh, did they?
Yeah. But she's done it now, so I don't need to wrap it.
Oh, that's lovely, darling. That's beautiful.
You've got all white in your kitchen.
Yeah. It's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You've got a tea, have you, love?
Yeah.
Yeah. While you're here, you're going to have to show me. Just sit down and relax. But show me how I can get this little thing going. Because I can't remember how to do it. I don't know what you do. And
All different ones.
I know. I think that's like you had originally when you started out. But just when you're doing it,
Yeah.
I'm going to have an ordinary one in the meantime. So, your top's nice.
That's tatty, I've had it here.
It's nice.
TK Maxx, cheap.
I've found some lovely stuff in TK Maxx over the years for kids and
Yeah.
one thing and another. Oh, and I love going and look at the kitchen. You know, I like kitchen stuff and pans. It's like, I'm a celebrity, get me out here. I could spend a bloody fortune in there.